Okay, so very important topic. We will talk about a report by World Economic Forum, which is called Jobs of Tomorrow 2020, which talks about the current scenario of jobs and the skills which will be needed in the current age and going forward also. Right. So we will go over the different points the report puts forward and see the different aspects of each point. Okay. So let's get started. So first point. Which this report mentions. By the way, this report was created in collaboration with LinkedIn, Coursera and Burning Glass. So they got the data from these big websites. So what they say, the first point is that fourth industrial revolution is here. Like the first industrial revolution was of steam engine, second industrial revolution was more on the electrical side, on the assembly line, third industrial revolution more in the 1960-70 was computer, and now we are in the digital age, right? Internet has now blown up and lot of data is being collected, and using data lot of digital penetration is happening, right? So this is the age we are in. But this report says that there is a lot of skills shortage. So there is technology, there are a lot of things, but still what this report mentions, I'm not sure if it's a correct number or not. I'm just stating the report. It says that 1 billion people need to be reskilled by 2030, and also it says that 42% core skills which are required in day-to-day jobs, those will change. So big sort of indicator that how much we have to upskill ourselves, we have to learn new things, right? Then second point it says is that it identifies 7 growth clusters, 7 clusters of areas basically where there will be high job growth in the coming era and currently also. So first cluster is data and AI. Of course, this we talked about, right? A lot of data is being collected, lot of data is being analyzed, right? You need people to analyze those data for any company, any organization. This data engineering, data science or data analysis will be needed, and going forward also a lot of data is being collected, and there needs to be people who can do that. So this is one of the clusters they have found out where there is a high job growth. So basically they saw that how many jobs were listed in 2020, and then going forward like 1 year how many jobs are listed. So some sort of growth rate they found, and then these 7 clusters basically they project in 2020 how many jobs will be there, and then they found these. Second is the engineering, of course, engineering and software engineering, more governed towards software engineering, and a lot of different platforms are being built, different applications are being built. So software engineering is not going anywhere. A lot of high growth we will see in the next few years, right? People oriented careers, right? HR and different careers. I can also read what are these exactly, but you can get that in the report also. But people oriented careers are very is one of the clusters which will be very popular or very much in demand, because people will remain, right? So that people oriented careers will always be there. Sales and marketing, of course, no brainer, right? Anything the companies are creating, they are selling it, they have to have people who can sell that, right? This will always remain. Even if we talk about big tech companies, Microsoft, Facebook, Google, they are all also businesses at the end of the day. They need people who can sell their whatever software or their apps or anything. So this is not going anywhere. Product development, bit different from engineering. Engineering is more technical, cloud architecture and those kind of skills. Product development is more product management, and right, how you understand the market, and then you get that defined, the features and the technical aspect of it, right? That is more on the product development. Care economy, right? This is more on the health side. Always this will be very important, right? But going forward also we see a lot of people having mental issues also, physical issues also, because of work from home and those kind of. Not physically we are not very active, right? More of people are staying at home, so there will be a sort of a problem that can occur, and this is one of the area where there will be a lot of jobs, and then more on the health side. And green economy, this they said is a good also high growth cluster, but not that much. So this is more related towards the renewable sources of energy like electrical and all. Right. So these are the 7 clusters: data and AI, engineering, people, sales, marketing, product development, care economy, and green economy. Finally, the skills. So now these are all the sort of sectors where there will be job. Now, what skills you need so that you can do your job better? Any job, even if you are an engineer or an HR manager or sales person, marketing head, etc. Right. So certain skills you will need. So those skills also they talk about. So they have categorized skills also in sort of 5 clusters. One is the business skills. So these are the main sort of project management, negotiation, and revenue management, profit and loss. This will be needed. Right? They are not going anywhere. Specialized skills. These are more the domain expertise. Right? So domain experts will always be in demand. So anything, even if you are a doctor and a specialized doctor, you will always remain in demand. Or you are some cloud architect, very specialized skills which are not very easy to get. You take a lot of time, so those will always be important. Soft skills, more on the leadership, the communication, right? These also will be important. I think this should be very important, because this, at the end of the day, we are working in an organization. We need to have good communication, we need to have good human understanding and general spirit. Somewhere in our education system this is not given the due importance it should be. Then last 2 sort of clusters, they build the skills, they divide the skills into tech based skills, which are more like using any technical apps, or like using maybe Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Meet, etc. This Zoom, this also needs a small bit of technical understanding, more, or you can say Excel, right, Word. These are very base skills. Even web development, web design they put here. And finally, tech disruptive skills, which are again going back to machine learning and engineering and cloud architect and etc. So very tech focused, very high level skills. Those are the 5 areas. So very much important for us to understand the age we are in, which they mention as 4th industrial revolution. Very important for us to understand the areas which will be very important in current scenario also and going forward, and very important to imbibe, to skill ourselves, or to get skilled in these areas, so that going forward we have a secure future, and also we can contribute very well to the society. So that's it. Any question, please let me know, and thanks a lot for watching.